This is activity 4. Hey, this is very important. This is my power. That means I'm big because this is my power. But this is my elbow. That means this cocky pen is less than me because my power, I have the power. So the power is on this side. If you can see, this is the power. So I'm big. So this is small because this faces the elbow. You see. Now, what is I have 2 I need to fill in, and I have 3. It's either I will fill this or that or that. Which one is big between 2 and 3? So the power, this power must face 3 because this is the power. It must face 3. So this means 3 is bigger than 2. That is the power. So 2 is small, as this cocky pen is what? Is less than my head. My head is big because my power faces at my head, but my elbow faces my cocky pen. That means my cocky pen is less than what? Is less than my head. But if this is the case, can you see the power? Can you see the power now faces what? It faces the cocky pen, so the cocky pen is bigger. Whatever that is behind this elbow is less. So, what is minus 5 and minus million? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which one is big? Minus 5 is bigger than million. But minus 5 is bigger than minus million. Okay. According to number line, if you still remember 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. Okay. I said, okay, this is 3. And we said that 3 is bigger than 2. That's what we said in the first one. Because whatever number, any number on the right hand side, it must be what? It must be bigger than the number on the left hand side. So that means 0 is bigger than minus 1 because 0 is on the what? Is on the right hand side, and the minus 1 is on the left hand side. That means minus 1 is bigger than what? Minus 2 because minus 1 is on the right hand side. All the numbers on the right hand side, the number on the right hand side will be bigger than the number on the left hand side. So minus million is somewhere there, minus million. So as you can see that minus 5 million will be here. So this minus 5 is on the what? It's on the right. So that minus 1,000 is all that minus million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That minus million, it's on the left hand side, so it must be smaller. Okay, big, it must face at that minus 5. Minus 30 and 0. So 0 must be big because 0 is on the right hand side, minus 30 is on that side. Okay. 12 and 1,000. Oh, 1,000 is big because 1,000 will be on this side. 1,000 will be on the right, right hand side, and 12 will be on the left hand side. So 1,000 is bigger than 12. Okay. Then what is 5 over 10 and 1 over 2? Okay. What you need to do here, if this is 10, try to make this also what? 10 by multiplying by 5. Multiply by 5. Change it. Your aim, your denominators must be the same. So in order this 2 to be 10, multiply it by what? Multiply it by 10. Sorry, multiply it by 5. What you do on bottom, you also do on top. So what is this? What is 1 times 5? It's 5. What is 2 times that? It's what? It's 10. 2 times 5 is 10. As you can see, this is 5 over 10. That is also 5 over 10. So they are equal. Okay. So they are equal. Okay. Let's say I have 4 over 5 and 1 over 2. Okay, what I need to do now, I need to change, I need to make this one 5 and 2 the same number. I need to change the numerator the same. Okay, so this is a 4 over 5. This I need to multiply it by 2. It will be 10. I'll multiply this 5 by that 2. So what you do on bottom, you also do on top. On the other side, I have 1 over 2. I want to make it what? Okay, if I have 5, I need to multiply by that denominator. And I need to multiply this by that denominator. So I need to multiply it by 5. Multiply it by 5. 4 times 2 is 8. 5 times 2 is 10. 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. So as you can see, this is 10 and 10. So ignore the denominators because they are the same. That's why I was changing the denominator the same. Ignore them. So which one is big between 8 and 5? So it's 8. 8 is bigger than what? Is bigger than 5. So that means that one is bigger than. Because this becomes 8 over 10, that becomes 5 over 10. 4 over 7. And this is 3 over 5. If I have 4 over 7, I need to multiply 7 by this 5. What you do on bottom, you also do on top. 4 times 5 is 20. 7 times 5 is 35. Okay, my focus now is on 3 over 5. Multiply that by 5 by 7. What you do on bottom, you also do on top. What is 3 times 7? It's 21. What is 5 times 7? It's 35. So that means 21, or since the denominators are the same, that means 20 is less than 21. That means 21 is big. It must be bigger than 20. So that means this is the case. That one is big. Okay. 25 over 100. Then I have 1 over 4. Which one is big? Okay, I have 25 over 100. 1 over 4. I want to make this 400. I can multiply it by 25. What you do on bottom, you also do on top. So this is 25 over 100. Okay, what is 1 times 25? It's 25. 4 times 25 is 100. So it's the same thing. So these two things are equal. I will fill one of those things. Okay, now what is minus 99? And minus 98. Which one is big? 98 is big because 98 will be on the what? On the right hand side, and 99 will be on the left hand side. Okay, minus 12 and 4. A positive number is always bigger than the negative number. It's always on the right hand side. So there you go.